my God, it's still flashing, you guys. So I'm down at the Rio Grande right now walking the babies. And check that out. What the hell? And I've recorded the sun many times on this phone, you guys. So it's not the phone. Something's going on with the sun. Look at that shit. That is cray cray. Serious cray. Wow, what the heck? No wonder they're chapping it so heavy today, and there's all kinds of military flying around. Look at that. It's pulsating. What the heck, you guys? Please comment below and let me know that you're seeing that. And what the heck do you think is going on here? Oh man, this ain't good, guys. There's all kinds of red flags going off in my head. Wow. Seemed to have stopped. Oh, there it went again. Shit. Wow. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. Alright, raving out. Moving on. I'll record it again later. That's freaky, guys. Go out and see if you're getting the same thing. As you can see, they're chopping up the sky, you guys. It's supposed to be 78 to 76 in Albuquerque today. Wow, did the sun just flash? Did you guys see that? Anywho, it's obviously going to be hazy. Yeah, they're chopping it up big time. Hey guys, it's Raven. Just wanted you to check out this huge sundog forming off to the right of the sun here. Man, they have been hitting it so hard today. All in the path of the sun. We had a big halo earlier. Look how that chaffing trail there goes and lays a shadow above it. How does that happen? Look at that though. So I'm up here on the mesa looking at the sky. And that's Albuquerque straight ahead of us, or Belen straight ahead of us down the hill there. Okay, just wanted you guys to see that. Right now.